Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Highly respected Director of the Ak Masjid Mosque School, distinguished guests on the occasion, teachers of the school, students, ladies and gentlemen. It is a matter of great encouragement for me, and I am thankful to the organizers of this seminar that they have given me an opportunity to speak a few words of thankfulness on the occasion of the 6th International Scientific and Practical Conference that's being organized by this Ak Masjid School to discuss the ancestral roots of Tatars, to talk about the traditions of spirituality, to deliberate upon the contributions of Tatars in the field of scientific learning, philosophical learning, and to highlight the contribution of Tatars in initiating the institutions of madrasa, in initiating the institution of tasawwuf, khanqa, and ribats across the country. Because these are the institutions created by the Tatars during the past centuries, which have inspired not only the local population of the Tatar peoples, but they have inspired the whole Islamicate culture and the whole globe that was known as the Muslim Caliphate at the time. Not only the scholars, the literatures, and the philosophers of the surrounding nations would seek guidance and inspiration from the Tatar scholars, but Tatar scholars and scientists were looking forward for intellectual guidance and leadership and for ethical and moral inspiration by the whole world, especially during the 13th, 12th, 13th and 14th centuries. These are the periods wherein the books of history are full of the instances about the contributions of the Tatar scholars, whether it was secular science, whether it was religious science, or whether it was practical science. The imprints of greatness and excellence are left in all these branches of learning by the Tatar scholars. It is a matter of great encouragement that it's the Tatars who gave a new lease of life to the dying institution of khanqa and the madrasa at a time when the moral education and the Sufistic traditions were needed by the world a lot. Whether it was Qubrawi silsila or Yasavi silsila or any other silsila of tasawwuf, Tatar Sufis have contributed tremendously in the khanqas by way of learning at the mosque madrasas, by way of preaching the ethics and morality to the people. It is the need of the hour that the scholars like Saifi Sarai, Tughli Khwaja, Abdul Majid, Mullah Qazi Mohsin, Maulana Ghamid Mulvi, Ahmad Khwaja, Hassan Orghali, and above all, the great scholars like Kulhuli should be an inspiration for the present and coming generations of the peoples. Therefore, organizing such events and such seminars wherein we are able to look back to the glorious past of the nations, of the peoples we belong to, it becomes imperative not only for being proud of one's culture, but also in terms of seeking inspiration and guidance in this world that is torn apart by cultural polarizations and extremism nowadays. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.